Essay on Unity is Strength. Introduction. The importance of staying united in every situation is emphasized through the proverb "Unity is strength." This has been used as a motto for various organizations as well as missions across the globe. Though the wordings in many cases have been changed slightly, however, the meaning remains the same. Importance of staying united. We cannot deny the importance of staying united in various situations. Believing in these words of wisdom and acting according to them helps build a better life, and countering them can create difficulties. A common example to explain the same can be a family situation. If all the members in a family stand united and help each other with their tasks, each one of them will benefit in the event. However, if they counter each other at every instance and try to enforce their ideologies and rules on each other, they shall never be happy. Besides creating a tense environment at home, which is especially bad for the growth of the kids. Such an attitude will also encourage outsiders to take advantage of the situation. If we look around, the families where people respect and take care of each other are happier. The children there get a healthier environment, which is essential for their all-round development, and the adults in the family also live a wholesome life. They depend on each other and take it as their responsibility to fulfill all their duties with joy. They do not crib, complain or conspire against each other. On the other hand, the families where people don't stand by each other and are busy trying to put the others down do not only ruin their own life but also that of their coming generations. People belonging to such families often feel lonely and end up in depression. Conclusion. It is time people should recognize the importance of staying united and imbibe it in their life to live a healthier and happier life.